Hey, how's it going? It's me, Mario, and on behalf of the whole Email Videos Pro team, I want to say thank you. Thank you for your trust and thank you for investing in this app. I know that you're going to love it. Now, in this short video, I'm going to show you how you can remove our branding and our logo from each of the videos that you make and send. And in addition, I'm going to show you how you're going to be able to create unlimited videos, unlimited campaigns, unlimited emails. You get 30 extra niche videos and how to get also 250 extra HD stock videos and a lot more. So the question is, would you like to maximize your profits with Email Videos Pro immediately? And I mean literally today. In this short video, I'm going to offer you the unlimited version of Email Videos Pro and the opportunity to remove our branding and our logo from each of the videos you send. Here's an example of a video that is playing inside of an email, and as you can see, it has our branding and our logo inside of the video. And I'm going to show you right now how you can remove that with our unlimited upgrade. Let's break this down real quick, shall we? You now own Email Video Pro and you are able to host and send out stunning and powerful videos for your clients inside of emails. That is fantastic. Now, one of the most requested features that we are asked to implement is to remove our branding from each of the videos. The reason why we can offer Email Videos Pro for so cheap is that each video features our branding. This works for a lot of price-conscious agencies and marketers, but 90% of the rest invest in our unlimited upgrade so that they can remove our logo and remove our branding, which their clients appreciate, of course. Here's another example of a video playing inside of Gmail, and as you can see, it features also our logo right on the video. But with the unlimited version, you get the ability to remove our branding and remove our logo. Now, this is a total no-brainer and by far our most popular feature and upgrade. The crazy thing is that we don't stop here. We are actually just getting started. Because we like to completely over-deliver, we are also including unlimited options as well, in addition to the logo removal feature. Feature number one, unlimited videos. With the main version, you are limited in how many videos you can host, customize, and send. We do this to protect our service and overhead. But with this upgrade, you can host and customize unlimited videos and send them out. Literally, work with as many clients as you like and create and host as many videos as you like. The more videos you can host and send, the more clients you will sign up. The math is that simple. No limits, no restrictions, total freedom, the ability to create thousands of customized videos for your clients. Just imagine the income potential. You're also getting unlimited email campaigns. With our main offer, you are limited to how many emails you can send out and how many clients you can contact. With our unlimited upgrade, you can create as many campaigns as you like and email as many clients as you like. This is a must-have feature for any agency or local marketer and freelancer. The more clients you can have, the more profits you can generate. And the more emails you can send out, the more you can grow and reach your audience. Another highly popular feature is our video library of niche templates, which are fully customizable. Restaurants, contractors, gyms, travel, spas, doctors, you name the niche, we got it. In the main product, we provide you with 20 niche templates. In this unlimited version, we're giving you an extra 30 niche video templates. You can attach each video to your emails and you can customize them for you and for your clients in seconds. This gives you 30 new opportunities to make money, charge per video, or sell them as a bundle to clients on Fiverr or wherever you like. The next feature is maximum bandwidth. While the main app is capped in order to protect our servers, you will get maximum bandwidth with this upgrade. And last but not least, we're also giving you an extra 250 HD stock videos that you can email or directly sell. So let's recap this real quick. If you take action right now, you get the ability to remove our branding completely, 100% from each video you host and send. With this, you can sell each video unbranded. The ability to host and customize unlimited videos, which gives you incredible income potential. And also the ability to create unlimited campaigns and send unlimited emails and contact as many clients as you like. Plus an extra 30 niche templates you can sell and customize for your clients and send them inside of emails. We are also providing you with 250 extra HD stock videos you can sell and send. And last but not least, maximum bandwidth. In my honest opinion, this is the no-brainer of the year. 10 emails, 100 emails, 1000 emails and videos, it doesn't matter. You have full freedom and you can make as much money as possible. Zero restrictions, maximum freedom. This is why everyone grabs the unlimited version quickly, and today you can get it at the best deal possible. The best part, we priced this insanely low. You haven't seen an upgrade offer for such a high quality product at such a low price before. I want to truly over-deliver and make it easy and affordable for anyone to start generating sales immediately. So sign up for the unlimited version right now and take Email Videos Pro to the next level. Fair warning though, this deal is only good during this launch special. And every day during this launch, the price for this incredible package goes up, no exceptions. Of course, you're also covered by a rock-solid, no questions asked, money-back guarantee. So take action right now, seize this opportunity with both hands and start generating profits now. Sign up right now before the launch special is over and this deal is gone.